All right, let's set up your webhook from the Leads Up AI PPL platform to a Go High Level account. So you'll go into notifications on the left there. You can set your contacts. So if you have specific contacts that you want to be contacted, you could press new and do email on here as well. And that will send email notifications to people. But we're going to go webhook here, and then we're going to press new webhook. Then we're going to go into Go High Level account. We're going to grab a workflow here. However you want to organize it is however you want to organize it. I'm going to call this 1.0 PPL leads up AI, just so I have some sort of tracking on this. And then I'm going to type in inbound webhook right here. So I'm going to copy this URL, come back over here. I'm going to grab this, that URL that I just grabbed. I'm going to put that into the URL. I'm going to press create. I'm going to go over to testing. I'm going to press generate sample. And now I'm going to select enhanced web form residential off market. Whatever one that you're purchasing leads from, you can select that. So then we press submit, and all of this information is in here. So now I'm going to pop over and I'm going to fetch the sample and just waiting for that. Oh, I got to run the test. So I'm going to run the test. All right, that's showing accepted there. Come back over, check. All right, there it is. Has all the information I need there. All right, I'm going to press save. And then the first piece is going to be first name here. I'm going to go inbound webhook trigger, first name. Go last name, inbound webhook trigger, last name, email, phone, then street address here, and that'll be from this, that'll be address 1, and then I always do space, then I'll grab address 2 just in case there's ever a unit number or anything there. Then I'm going to grab city. The next one's going to be state for me. State. Then the next one is zip. So in Go High Level, it's called postal code. And then property type. I don't have that field, so I need to create it in here. You don't have to add all of that. So what you can do here is then you can come in and do notes, add to notes, and color it whatever you want. I typically like to do a little bit of a different color on this. I'm going to do new PPL leads up AI, then inbound webhook address. Actually, we can grab, since that's already updated there, I can just go to the contact and I can grab the full address. Now I can grab these other variables in here, which would be property type. So property type, next variable, reason, next variable, condition, next variable, listed, then there should be timeline. Then I'm just gonna highlight these so I have it. I'm probably going to add the full address at the top here. Bold. The reason why we're doing it this way is so that then, what was this? Oh, name. First name, space, last name. Check that out. Then email. See in a second why I'm doing it this way. Phone. Bold. Bold. I'm going to copy all of this. Save it right there. I always like to add contact tag, something, PPL, LUAI. So at least this way now you can see the leads that you're getting. LUAI from there, and then typically we'll do like create opportunity here. So whatever your pipeline is, like we have a lead pipeline lead right there, and then I'll do contact full name dash full address, and then contact source could be PPL, LUAI, and then status would be open there, and that will create it in your account there or in your pipeline. And then you want an internal notification. So I'll typically do like an app notification, new lead, contact name there. And then I have all of this information here. So save that, redirect to the contact, select user. You could either do all users or user assigned to contact. If you do user assigned to contact, come up here right away and then do assign to user, select who you want to assign it to there. Then I'm going to do another inbound notification, and I'm going to do this as an app. And then you can do assigned user, all users, custom number would be a custom phone number. So I'm just going to do all of it, and then boom, right there. Now that's going to give you all the information you need via text. You can do the same via email as well there. And then if you have another workflow that you want to send text messages out to, which I'd highly recommend, you can just type in add to workflow right here, and then select whatever workflow you have there. So I'll do that, save it, and then make sure you press publish, and then you press save. Then to get enrollment history and all of that stuff, you can see when those leads come in to here, and then your execution logs as well. Let us know if you have any questions on this process. Thanks.